Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to make crispy soya chunks tikki. So let's begin with the recipe. Boil some water and add a little bit of salt to the boiling water. Now add in 1 cup of soya chunks and boil the soya chunks for about 5 to 6 minutes. The soya chunks have come to a boil and now it is time to strain the soya chunks. So using a sieve, strain them, discard the excess water and then pour some cold water or room temperature water over the soya chunks and wash them thoroughly. Now let the soya chunks cool down. Squeeze the soya chunks and add them to a mixer grinder jar. Do not squeeze a lot, just get rid of the excess water and add the chunks to the mixer grinder jar. And grind the soya chunks without adding any water. So this is the right consistency. Transfer the ground soya chunks to a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic green chilli paste, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, some salt to taste, one teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 green chilli finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, that is chawal ka atta. Now mix everything well and bring together. Do not add any water. Once the mixture starts holding shape as shown, our mixture is ready. But if you feel that it is too dry, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Now give the tikkis the desired shape. And similarly shape all the tikkis. You can make them big, small, medium, as you like. I am making them of this size. The tikkis are ready and now let us fry them. So heat a pan, add a little bit of oil and once the oil is hot, shallow fry the tikkis until golden and crispy from both sides. So flip once cooked from one side and cook until golden from the other side. The tikkis are nice golden brown crispy and they are ready. So with this delicious crispy soya chunks tikkis are ready. Enjoy them hot with some tomato ketchup. I hope you liked this video. I'll see you all in the next recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.